Hello and welcome to Web3 TV. I'm Lisa Amnegard, and today we're at the World Finance Council FinTech Conference in Dubai. And joining me right now is the CEO of Changer.ae, Yang. So thank you so much for joining me today.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. You're one of the speakers today in today's panel discussion. So tell me first a little bit about what is Changer.ae.
Okay. So Changer.ae, we're a ADGM, Abu Dhabi Global Markets-based licensed entity. So we essentially aim to be a crypto bank, not just serving here, but also serving the global. Yeah.
So tell me, what is a crypto bank? What does it do?
Okay, if you think about a bank as a traditional financial service provider, they essentially help you do a couple of things, three things mainly. Put your money there, deposit, and exchange. You do a little bit of exchange and transfers. So that's actually serves 80 to 90% of financial transactions globally. So we essentially want to do this using a crypto technology to help everyone.
So when you were speaking today in today's panel, what were some of the key messages you wanted to bring forward?
Okay, so from our side, we really want this technology to be a mass adoption. So everyone who have a banking service, a lot of banks serve them either from those established countries in Singapore, Hong Kong, UK, US, or those in, I would say, a little bit underprivileged cities. They don't have a bank account, not even credit card or whatever. I want really these services to be available to them. So that's, I think, the things we're working so hard to make it a mass adoption.
So today you can have a crypto wallet where you keep all your cryptocurrencies. So why would you need a bank?
Okay, so this is how you think about the concept of a bank. Why the bank? I mean, like we know these days have a branch, have an office, you go there. I mean, that's what we know. And later have a digital bank. You may not have as many branches as you normally see. Most of the banks are globally, traditional banks are closing branches, closing ATMs. They essentially are serving customer with the same whatever digital wallets anyway. So I think in the future, when we talk about banks, it's essentially run on the network. It will be a blockchain-based network and basically providing the same service. That's what we see.
Yeah, no, exactly. I think in general, it's to have something to turn to when you have any issues is quite important for any customer.
100%. So that's why we are not just building a technology platform. We're building a service platform from customer support to compliance and, of course, with operations essentially to support all this. So anyone who are not familiar with the, I would say, crypto banking services, they will be helped through our hotlines, etc.
And the UAE is quite progressive when it comes to crypto, both when it comes to regulation and adoption. So what opportunities do you see now going forward in 2025 for mass adoption?
Sure. I mean, there's a lot of opportunities in 2025. I mean, specifically UAE, we see, I think the country is really, I think, pro innovations. It's not just a crypto, it's a lot of things from financial services. Because if we want to bring in mass adoptions, we need the serious people. I mean, talking about the big institutions from fund managers to institutions like financial services to come in and join. So this is where I think we have a lot of the playgrounds to do here. Globally, you will see what the US is actually going to really catch up on the crypto regulations. That's going to actually expedite a lot of things which we haven't seen in the last 3 or 4 years.
And when we look at fintech and the financial ecosystem, is the landscape ready for this?
Okay, when we talk about ecosystem, it depends on what part you talk about. From a technology perspective, I think we're fine. We're probably 80% ready. But in terms of regulations, in terms of the mindset, I think we still got a little bit of work to do. Yeah.
And when we look at 2025, what trends are you most excited about?
I mean, I think the biggest thing is institutional adoptions that will accelerate. It's not just about the ETF. What I just basically tell my friends. So everyone will probably have some kind of exposures in Bitcoins, either through a wallet or through an ETF. And they will actually not even feeling whatever, they're actually investing cryptos. They already got exposure.
Yeah. No. And if anyone wants to learn more about Changer.ae, where can they find you?
the best way is actually reach out through LinkedIn and our website. We have an email, hello@Changer.ae. You can reach to us anytime.
Well, it was a pleasure speaking with you, and I look forward to seeing what Changer.ae continues to achieve in 2025.
Thank you so much.
And we'll be bringing you more interviews, so make sure to stay tuned. I'm Lisa Edmegard, and you're watching Web3 TV.